Hey guys, I didn't see you guys there. Today we are going to be learning how to solve a Rubik's Cube. But before I do this, we need to get prepared. Let's go do that. Alright, you guys, I am back. I have gotten all the stuff I need, and I've tried to fix the camera quality to where it's facing me. So we're gonna try to solve this. Okay. I did it. Never mind, it's not solved. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna try to do. It's still not solved. I don't. Is it solved yet? It's not solved. We have this. Oh. I didn't bring a lighter. You know what? We're just gonna use this hammer. Maybe it'll set it off. Okay. Oh, I missed.